Welcome to Brand M3dia, your ultimate event solution provider. With a comprehensive suite of services, we bring innovation, engagement, and valuable insights to your events. Experience the power of our interactive kiosks, designed to streamline your event experience. These state-of-the-art touchscreens provide attendees with easy access to schedules, speakers, features, contests, and wayfinding. It's the ultimate event navigation tool that enhances engagement and ensures a seamless experience for all. Take your event to the next level with our AI robots, the true stars of the show. These charismatic brand ambassadors engage your audience, sharing event details, cracking jokes, and even dancing. They create memorable interactions and leave a lasting impression on attendees. Enhance the overall event experience with our custom-built mobile apps and web apps. These powerful tools bring your event information on the go, empowering attendees to access schedules, speaker details, interactive maps, and more right from their mobile devices. Stay connected, informed, and engaged no matter where you are. In addition to our interactive kiosks, AI robots, and mobile web apps, we offer data and analytics capabilities that drive impactful results. Harness the power of data-driven insights to understand attendee behavior, preferences, and satisfaction levels. With our comprehensive feedback mechanisms, you can continuously improve and enhance future events. Choose Brand M3dia for the complete event solution package. Our interactive kiosks, AI robots, mobile apps, web apps, and data analytics capabilities work seamlessly together to elevate your event experience, engage your audience, and provide valuable insights for success. See all our happy clients. Brand M3dia, your partner for exceptional events, interactive experiences, and valuable insights.